George Wright, the Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, was seen in a viral video beating his then-girlfriend, now wife, with a stool. The police later revealed that both Mr. Wright and his then-girlfriend had filed assault reports against each other following the incident. However, they soon indicated that they no longer wished to press charges. As a result, the case did not proceed legally. Following public backlash, Mr. Wright resigned from the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, in 2021 and has since been serving as an independent MP. He later married his girlfriend. In October last year, he applied to be readmitted to the JLP. The JLP has stated that its membership committee reviewed his application, considered the circumstances that led to his independent status, and took into account the mitigating actions he has since taken. Based on this, the committee recommended his readmission, which was accepted by the party. The People's National Party, PNP, is scheduled to hold a meeting today regarding Mr. Wright's readmission to the JLP. Here is my take on the situation. Mr. Wright has not committed a crime in the eyes of the law because his spouse did not pursue legal action against him. Therefore, he was never charged, brought before the court, or convicted. As far as legal records are concerned, he has no criminal history. However, if we were to judge based on moral and ethical standards, neither the JLP nor the PNP prioritizes those matters. Their main concern is putting someone in a position who they believe can win the seat, regardless of any moral or ethical controversies surrounding that person. In response, the PNP has expressed outrage, arguing that this move undermines the struggle against domestic violence. They argue that the JLP is prioritizing political gain over addressing the very real issues of abuse faced by women. However, there has been a similar case involving a PNP member of parliament where the individual was charged and placed before the court for assault in connection with a domestic dispute. At the heart of the controversy is the question of whether domestic violence cases should be used as tools in political battles or whether the focus should shift toward genuine reform and support for victims.